my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another episode of Create This Book. I've not done this for about maybe a month or two, and so I've been really excited to do another episode. If you have not seen the 2 other episodes I did of the Create This books, make sure to check them out. I will link them in the description box down below. So I have already decided the first page I'm going to do, and it's very simple and easy, and it'll take me a very short amount of time. So this is the page I'm going to be doing, and I'm just going to be creating folds. This page is kind of wrinkly already because I did use Mod Podge to glue this drawing down, and what you should do is use a glue stick because then it won't wrinkle the pages. So now I'm going to fast forward doing this page. This is the first page done. It's simple, but I do like it. Just like any other Create This Book episode, I'm going to be doing 2 pages. Even though the first one was quite simple, I'm still only going to do 2. So this is my second and last page, and basically what I'm supposed to do is just fill this page with unusual shapes. So that's what I'm going to do. And now I'm going to fast forward the video. To glue all of the little pieces on, and I'm using this glue stick. So I've just finished both of my pages, and I'm going to show them to you. So here's the first page I did. I just kind of folded them down and then taped them. And I did mess up on the heart, so I just drew it on a piece of paper and glued it there. So here is my second and last page in 3, 2, 1. I really like how this page turned out. I think this is probably my favorite page I have done, and I wrote the date in a little heart right there. So I really like this page. This design took me a really long time to finish, and I like these little shapes as well. I just really like how this page turned out. So that is it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you have any video ideas you would like me to do, please tell me in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!